Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about an Odoo website builder honest review watch before using. So in this video we'll dive in Odoo website builder. So Odoo website builder is a part of the Odoo ERP suite, offering a drag and drop interface for building website, e-commerce stores, and business portals. It integrates with Odoo's app, making it great for business looking for an all-in-one solution. Some of its pros are easy drag and drop builder, no coding required. Second, built-in business integration, works with Odoo CRM, e-commerce, inventory, and more. Cost-effective, competitive pricing compared to Wix or Shopify. Customizable, open source flexibility for developers. And lastly, SEO friendly. It has a built-in tools for optimization. Some of its cons are limited design flexibilities, so fewer templates and design freedom compared to WordPress and Wordflow. It requires Odoo ecosystem, so it is best when used with other Odoo apps, which may increase the cost. Third, learning curve. Some features aren't as intuitive for beginners. And lastly, limited third-party integration. Works best with Odoo, not external apps. So some of its key features are drag and drop editor, simple interface for creating pages, pre-built themes, basic but functional, templates, an e-commerce integration, sell products, manage orders, and connect with inventory. SEO and marketing tools, built-in SEO optimization, email marketing, and analytics. Multi-language support, easily create multilingual websites, and responsive design. Works well on mobile devices. So, who should use Odoo website builder? First is small to medium businesses that already use Odoo for CRM sales or inventory. Entrepreneurs needing an all-in-one business solution. And developers wanting an open source website builder with customizable options. And that's basically it.